What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to replace the original 4-spoke airbag equipped steering wheel. First, disconnect the battery so we don't have any electrical current going through the airbag. Next, take one last look at your steering wheel because this is going in the trash. Locate the two screws behind the steering wheel that secure the airbag cover. Slowly remove the airbag unit. Even though the battery is disconnected, this part still makes me nervous, but I'm sure it's safe. The next step is to just remove that orange connector, and then your airbag is free. Feel free to put aside. You'll have to insert the key to disengage the steering lock. Just rotate the steering wheel until it is dead center and straight ahead. Then once the wheel is in a position that you are satisfied with, simply take out the key and the steering wheel will lock in place. And then once it's locked in place, we can remove that center nut that holds on the actual wheel. Underneath the nut is a washer and a spacer collar. Save that for later use. At the bottom of the steering column is the other end of the orange connector. Disconnect that so we can remove the steering wheel. Reinsert the key to disengage the steering lock. Once that is done, you can simply pull off the steering wheel. If your wheel has this white pin, simply break it off or pull it out. This won't be required for our new wheel. There's actually a lot of interesting engineering going on inside here. Right there is the power contact point for the horn. Up here is your steering lock mechanism. And then here is your turn signal kind of canceling tab thing, which helps to kind of activate and deactivate the turn signal as you turn the steering wheel. Since we're going from an airbag steering wheel to a non-airbag steering wheel, we actually need to put that spacer collar underneath the hub, otherwise the steering wheel won't engage the splines correctly. You actually need a second spacer collar in order to do this install correctly. You can use any other type of material like a stack of washers or whatever, but I got an original OEM collar from Renown to use as my second spacer. Here is the new Renown steering wheel. I got the 130R model, leather with motorsport stitching. Here's the horn, and it simply snaps in place into the steering wheel. You'll notice that there are two tabs, G and P, which stand for ground and positive. We'll be connecting the black wire just to the positive tab. The horn will actually ground itself through the steering wheel. Here, I'm testing out the steering lock function, making sure everything still works. And once I insert the key, I just want to make sure the steering wheel rotates freely. Overall, I'm very impressed with the quality of Renown. The size and grip of the wheel complement the E30 well. My only one complaint is about the quality of the leather. It almost feels like a cheap kind of vinyl imitation of leather, but overall I'm still very impressed and I love the motorsport style stitching. One note is that the horn won't work if the key is not inserted, but once you insert the key, the horn works properly as it should. Thanks guys, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Vic's Vehicles.